The same misplay complaints appear repeatedly across user discussions, and knowing them before you install the app can help you avoid common frustrations. By the end of this video, you'll know the complaint patterns users mention most often, and which ones you can reduce by using the app correctly. One of the most common complaints involves reward tracking. Some users report that gameplay progress doesn't update as expected after installing a game. In many cases, experienced users recommend installing every game directly through Mistplay, instead of opening the Play Store separately. If a game isn't installed through the app's tracking link, your progress may not be recorded correctly. Another frequent complaint is limited game selection. Mistplay doesn't offer the same games to every user. Available titles can vary based on your device, region, and account. That means screenshots or videos showing a specific game library may not match what you see after creating your own account. Users also complain about changing reward opportunities. A game that offers good rewards today may not remain available forever. New games are added, older offers disappear, and reward opportunities can change over time. That's why experienced users usually check the current offers before deciding which game to play instead of assuming an older recommendation is still available. Redemption delays are another topic that appears regularly in user feedback. Some users receive rewards without problems, while others report waiting for their redemption to be processed. If you experience a delay, checking your account details, reviewing the redemption status, and contacting Mistplay support with the necessary information is usually the recommended next step. Another pattern involves expectations. Many complaints come from users expecting fast or effortless rewards. Mistplay is designed to reward eligible gameplay over time, not simply downloading an app or playing for a few minutes. Understanding that before you start helps prevent disappointment and makes it easier to judge the app fairly. There are also complaints related to account eligibility. Users sometimes discover that certain games, promotions, or reward opportunities aren't available on their device or in their region. Reading the requirements before starting a game can help you avoid spending time on offers that don't apply to your account. The key takeaway is that most Mistplay complaints fall into a few familiar categories: reward tracking, game availability, changing offers, redemption delays, and unrealistic expectations. Knowing those patterns helps you use the app more effectively, and recognize the difference between a technical issue and a normal limitation of the platform. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more app reviews, troubleshooting guides, and earning tips.